Hi, welcome back guys. This video is for those that are having trouble with their drone and connecting it to their computer so they can either update the firmware or flash it again. So basically what you want to do is there are many different versions of the DJI Assist app. So you have to go to the DJI. We'll go now. So you have the DJI Assist. Whoops. You want the consumer drone series, okay? This will allow you to connect your DJI receiver, all right? And so what you do is you download the package. As you can see, it downloaded. It's right there on the left-hand side. Depending on your speed, it might be fast, it might be slow, but either way, it's going to download. All right, so once it downloads, actually it's right there in my downloads. Just get that out of the way. And there's your DJI Assist package. Okay, it'll run it, it'll install it. Click continue, continue, I agree, install. It takes about 1.2 gigs. You put in your password, not my password. Once it installs, it'll write the files. Even though it's a big app, it'll still install really easily and actually fast, which is great. And this should solve your problem once it installs. And what you want to do is follow the prompts that it tells you. Hold on one second. Since I have, let's see. Saving. Oh, yeah, this won't. You most likely you won't see this because I was doing some stuff on my computer. Open up our desktop and go into your Drive, Applications, DJI Assist, and wait for it to load. It should work its magic. See, there you go. Of course, you have to follow the directions and press it. Double tap, and it should bring you into the drone. Not to the drone, into the DJI receiver. And there you go. You can see I'm running the current firmware. You can refresh or you can downgrade because a lot of times when you upgrade, some features are gone. You're like, wait, where's my POI effect? Or wait, one time the DJI receiver, there was no return home button. And all it was a land. And I was like, wait, what's going on? So I did a downgrade and then refreshed again. So you decide which option is best for you. And some people just like to, run the previous version because it was just better. If it ain't broken, don't fix it. But, eventually you'll have to update once remote ID goes into effect. But in the meantime, enjoy. Fly safe. I hope this video helped you and you're better able to connect your DJI receiver to your computer, whether it's a Mac or a PC. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below. And I'll see you all next time.